Alright guys, we're back again and we have our gigantic sauropods here, the Brachiosauruses. We have this Hammond Collection and the Dominion Brachiosaurus. Sadly, I don't have the dino rivals anymore because it got turned into the Primevalosaurus. But anyways, I got the new Legacy Collection Brachiosaurus here. Yep, so we're gonna unbox this. We'll check it out. Okay, we're gonna check its standing version right here. It has Stegosaurus in the background. For some reason, it doesn't have any red spots on its head here. But the toy itself has a red spot on the head on its crest. Let's turn it around again. Okay, here as well, doesn't have any red spots. No red highlights on its crest. Okay, so let's unbox it. Let's check it out. Alright, I don't want to damage the box. Where do we start? Where do we start? Left or right? Let's see. Alright, let's start on this side. The bottom part. Okay, nice. Have it. Green Brachiosaurus. Finally, we have a green one. A green adult Brachiosaurus. Whoa. That's so cool. It's the front. Nice. I'm gonna bring out the head and the tail. Alright. Okay, let's start with the tail. We're gonna combine the tail. Okay. Alright, got the tail out. Now we're gonna snap it in. We do this. Oh wow, that looks really hard. Looks like we need a blow dry here. I guess the brown goes up. There you go. I see. I thought the green was going up. Okay, that makes sense. This is the color. Now we go to the head. There's the head right here. Yeah. Alright. So let's combine it. There you go. Let's check it out now. Nice. We're excited with this. I hope the next sauropod will be an Apatosaurus again. A new variant of the Apatosaurus. Okay. Wow, it's really... Okay, let's see the height comparison. So I guess it lost an inch. The Dominion and Hammond Collection are still taller. See that? Longer neck. But at least the head or the neck is not even curved anymore, unlike this one right here. You can't even move it. At least you can move the neck now. Here as well. So that's good. We'll see the colors. I like the color better than the older ones. You can paint the toes as usual. So like the Hammond Collection, it has painted toes. So there. Another version of our Brachiosaurus. Has a red crest and snout with green and brown skin. So yep, there we had it. Okay guys, enjoy this video, give it a thumbs up. I wish I could grab the Primevalosaurus, but it's not here right now. Or maybe let's go check it out. There's my Primevalosaurus. There you go. The base is actually it used to be a Brachiosaurus, the dino rivals. Kids running upstairs, and yeah. And this is the backyard. Go check the Brachiosaurus again. There they are. Alright guys, don't forget to subscribe, and thank you. Have a good one now.